inside Westminster Magistrates Court in London, where Kneecap member Mo Chara has appeared charged with a terror offence. It's alleged he displayed a flag in support of Hezbollah at the group's O2 Forum show in London on the 21st of November last year. He was then charged with the terror offence on the 22nd of May. He arrived at court this morning to a crowd of hundreds of supporters who had organised a rally outside.
This is typical British establishment coming down hard on people who oppose their oppressive regime and colonialists around the world. I stand with Kneecap and what they stand for.
We flew over from Ireland for this because we are opposed to the fact that the British government is wasting hard-working British taxpayers' money to make this spectacle, to show their solidarity for fellow occupiers. Kneecap is not the story right now. Babies, children are starving. Genocide is the story. Free Palestine.
It's outrageous that Kneecap are in the dock and not Keir Starmer, who's actually complicit in genocide. Kneecap are trying to prevent genocide.
The crackdown on Kneecap is just absolutely about trying to protect Israel and stop any support for Palestine. It's not about Kneecap, it's not about their lyrics, it's not about what they say. That's all just kind of smoke and mirrors.
What they're doing to Palestinians at the minute, the genocide that's going on in there, and what these boys do and being so vocal and getting that message out there is just absolutely fantastic.
Inside the court, it was adjourned until the 20th of August when it will hear arguments over its jurisdiction in the case. Mo Chara has been released on unconditional bail until then, and a request was made for an Irish language interpreter. The group play Fairview Park in Dublin tomorrow evening.